my dear friends. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark, and the hope that helps us survive is our teacher. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day, a day to celebrate all our dear teachers.
Today, we are celebrating Teachers' Day. In India, the Teachers' Day is celebrated to honor the memory of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan on 5th September. This occasion of Teachers' Day began in 1962. Let the dewdrop wash away the burdens of yesterday. May God sprinkle much of these on you today. Wishing you all a very happy morning.
Does everyone here know why we are gathered here? Yeah, that's true. We are here to celebrate Teachers' Day. We take immense pleasure on this occasion to celebrate our beloved teachers.
A teacher is the one who can inspire the hope, instill the love of learning, and ignite the imagination. I wish every teacher present here a very prestigious Teachers' Day.
Let's get started.
A prayer that comes from heart can move mountains. It increases your faith and brings you closer to God. Let's all sing together the Infinite Prayer.
Feeling thy presence, feeling thy grace, feeling thy radiance. You are my source of faith and strength. You are my path and destination, and I'm always connected to you. Nothing of me and everything of you. Lead me higher, lead me deeper, lead me beyond, lead me to you.
இன்றைய ஆசிரியர்கள் தின கொண்டாட்டத்தின் தொடக்கமாக தமிழை ஈன்றெடுத்து தமிழகத்தின் தலைவியாம் தமிழ்த்தாயை வாழ்த்தி வணங்குவோம். தமிழ்த்தாய் வாழ்த்து வாயிலாக.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கையிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ்பரத கண்டமிதே வெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு திரை முதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசலை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரமை திறந்து என்று செய்ய மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
Welcoming is the heart of greeting everyone. Every program begins with a warm welcome which energizes us. Now I call upon Mithunarjun of class 12 to deliver the welcome note.
They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to thank them and say Happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is not just a day for fun and change of rules. It is the day to remember our second president, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great thinker and a great teacher. Teachers' Day is eagerly awaited by the students' community as it allows to share our thoughts and views about our mentors. Cultural events and creative thoughts extols the virtues of teachers. It is my greatest pleasure to propose the welcome address. Our founder, the most prominent entity of SBV, Dr. M. Balakrishnan, our principal, Srimati Santana Lakshmi, the driving force who has always been appreciating for every minimal effort, our academic advisor, Mrs. P.C. Selvarani, the guiding force of SBV, our valiant vice principal, Mrs. Gracie Jaikumar, who always encourages us with her inspiring words, our heedful headmistress, Mrs. Susila John Peter, and all the HODs of various departments, and my dear teachers and friends. Once again, it is my greatest privilege to welcome all the dignitaries to the most awaited event of SPV. Welcome.
Thank you, Mithun Arjun, for energizing us with your warm welcome.
First, we have poem recitation. Poem is a great way of conveying a proper message to everyone. Now I call upon Induja, Afshan and Husna to recite the poem for our beloved teachers.
I am Afshan Zara of grade 12, here to dedicate a poem to all my dear teachers of SBV. I am happy that you are my teacher. I am happy that you are my teacher. I enjoy each lesson you teach. You have inspired me as my role model to work, to grow and to succeed. With your kindness, you grabbed all my attention. With your kindness, you grabbed all my attention. Every day, you are planting a seed of curiosity and motivation in me to dream, to grow and to reach. I am thankful for what all you have done to me. I am thankful for what all you have done to me. I found guidance, discipline, love and friendship in one. I just want to say, as a teacher, you are number one. Thank you and wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day.
Hi everyone, I am Induja Khanna of grade 12 and I am here to recite a poem. The name of the poem is Gratitude. Thank you my teacher for being there. Thank you my teacher for being there at times when skies were grey. Thank you my teacher for lending an ear when I had things to say. Thank you my teacher for lending an ear when I had things to say. You showered love on me lavishly when no one seemed to care. You showered love on me lavishly when no one seemed to care. You brought me joys untold to fill my heart with moments of gold. I would have felt isolated and lonely if you have not been there, but I will profusely thank God for you until eternity.
அறிவுப்பால் ஊட்டி அனுதினமும் வளர்ப்பதனால் ஆசிரியர்கள் இரண்டாம் அன்னையர். அன்னையரை வணங்கி என் கவிதையை தொடங்குகிறேன். அன்னையரை வணங்கி என் கவிதையை தொடங்குகிறேன். கையெடுத்து வணங்குகிறேன், நன்றியுடன் நினைத்து பார்க்கிறேன். நான் வாழ, நான் முன்னேற எனக்காக உழைத்தவர்கள் என் ஆசிரியர்கள். நான் வாழ, நான் முன்னேற எனக்காக உழைத்தவர்கள் என் ஆசிரியர்கள். நான் இன்று இன்பம் காண அன்று துன்பம் பொறுத்தவர்கள். என் இளம் வயதில் நடமாடும் தெய்வங்கள் என் ஆசிரியர்கள். குயவனின் கை பட்டு களிமண் மட்பாண்டமாகி நிற்பதைப் போல, சிற்பியின் ஒளி பட்டு கற்பாறைகள் சிலையாகி நிற்பதைப் போல, ஓவியரின் தூரிகைகள் பட்டு வரைபடங்கள் வண்ண ஓவியமாய் நிற்பதைப் போல, எம்மெழுத்துக்கள் கூட்டி சொற்களை உங்களை கவர்ந்த கவிதைகளாய் நிற்பதைப் போல, உயிரெழுத்தும் மெய்யெழுத்தும் சொல்லித் தந்த இவ்வுலகத்தின் உயிரெழுத்தே என் ஆசிரியர். உயிரெழுத்தும் மெய்யெழுத்தும் சொல்லித் தந்த இவ்வுலகத்தின் உயிர்மெய் எழுத்தே எம் ஆசிரியர்கள். என்னை அறியா பலர் அறியச் செய்தீர், என்னை அறியா பலர் அறியச் செய்தீர். எதுவுமே தெரியா எனக்கு என்னை எனக்கு தெரிந்திட செய்தீர். எதுவுமே தெரியா எனக்கு என்னை எனக்கு தெரிந்திட செய்தீர். உங்கள் நினைவுகள் என்றும் எமக்குள் இருக்கும். உங்கள் நினைவுகள் என்றும் எமக்குள் இருக்கும். உங்கள் நினைவுகள் என்றும் இனிக்கும். உங்கள் நினைவுகள் என்றும் இனிக்கும்.
Dance is a form of expressing emotion. Move rhythmically to the music and follow the sequence of steps. This forum is now ready for Sri Durga Devi, Madhumita, Sarita and Savita to perform their dance.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara,
Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Gurave
Ta drum num ta drum ta dhalang ko tak tak ko da da gida 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 drum ta ka drum drum ta takita ta da ta drum gida gida drum ta ta num ta ta drum ta takita ta da gida 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 ta ri ta dhana ta run ta dim ta da drum ta num ta rum ta ga dim ta gida 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 dim ta tarigida gida ta jum dim da ta jum nam da ta jum tam takita dhana ta tangida tarigida dim ta tarigida gida ta jum dim da takita jum jum takita dak jum da jum takita ta jum kida tarigida gida dam tarita ta dhana tarita ta tarigida gida ta dhana ta jum tarita dhana ta tangida gida ta tarigida gida ta jum dim da ta jum nam da takita jum ta dim tum nam ta tangida gida di ta dhana ta tarigida gida dhana ta dhana ta dim ta tarita ta dhana ta da di ta dhana ta tangida gida ta dim tarigida gida ta dim tarigida gida ta dim tarigida gida ta dim tarigida gida jum tarigida gida tangida gida.
Friends, we have witnessed many Teachers' Day celebration in our school and also overcome many teachers. But even then, every Teachers' Day is very special to us. Now let's get back to the glimpses of the old Teachers' Day celebration in our school.
A teacher plants the seed of knowledge, sprinkles them with love, and patiently nurture their growth to produce tomorrow's dream. Better than 1,000 days of diligent study is one day with a great teacher. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. The influence of teacher extends beyond the classroom well into the future. The duties of a teacher are neither few nor small, but they elevate the mind. Happy Teachers' Day to one and all. Life should not only be lived, it should be celebrated. To talk about the celebration, we as SBV teachers have enjoyed each and every mode of function in a joyful manner. Especially, every year, Teachers' Day is celebrated in a grand manner, where all the teachers were given chances to showcase their innate talents. Every event, in any celebration, we SBVians work together as family, which has brought our inner potential to shine and get highlighted in all the celebration. Our management plays a major role to bring out our hidden aptitude to enhance each and every celebration held at SBV. They helped us to celebrate our success. They taught us always to be enthusiastic. The more we praise and celebrate our life, the more there is in life to celebrate. Last but not the least, to the world, we may be just a teacher, but to our students, we are all the real heroes and heroines. Wishing you all a happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
This was a mind-blowing presentation. Thank you all.
I hope we are all enjoying the online classes as a student. Now, let's see the exact scenario what happens in online classes and offline classes through our role play. Now, the forum is ready for our buddies to perform.
Happy morning everyone. We are here to witness a skit on offline and online class scenario. I'm wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Offline class scenario.
Good morning students.
Good morning.
Good morning miss. Okay, everyone please be seated. So how was your weekend?
We had one nice.
So you should not only concentrate on the weekend, you should also parallelly study, okay? Let me ask someone the question which I had asked in last class. So, Saidhanesh, say what's Ohm's law?
Yes, Ohm's law states that current is directly proportional to the potential difference and it is inversely proportional to the resistance of the circuit, provided that the temperature and physical conditions remains constant.
Very good, Saidhanesh. Please, everybody, applaud. So, thank you, students. Thank you.
School reopen scenario in offline.
Happy morning, students.
Happy morning, students.
It's been a while you have come to school. Sit down. It's been a while you have come to school. How was your holidays? How did you spend?
It was very good.
Did you all complete your assignments?
No.
Yes. Okay, submit your assignments.
Can I come in?
Yes, you can come in. You are late to class.
Yes, Miss, there was a traffic. That's why.
You have to come early.
I'll not repeat this next time.
Yes, please sit down.
Thank you.
Yes, you people all submit your assignments. Who didn't submit it? Why?
Miss, I'll submit it tomorrow.
Yes, you have to submit or else you will get an punishment from me. Thank you.
There is a straight interaction between the teachers and the students in the offline classes. But let us see what are the difficulties faced by the teachers in online classes.
Good morning, students.
Good morning,
sir. So, how are you all doing?
Fine, sir.
Okay, so I have planned to conduct a surprise test today. So, you all have to be get ready within 5 minutes.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, Indija, what is your doubt?
Sir, when and how we should submit the answer sheet, sir?
Okay, so do your test in A4 size paper and you have to submit in GCR in PDF format.
Sir, what test, sir?
COVID test,
COVID test,
Sir, it's taking a long time to submit the answers in the GCR, sir. No problem, attach the answers, sir. No problem, sir. You can send me the answer script personally to me in WhatsApp. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have a problem in GCR, sir. Password problem.
What is the password you entered?
LMLPQ, sir.
Vimal, you're always making trouble, Vimal.
Sir, what to do, sir?
Okay, you can send me the answers personally to me in WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
Okay, students, I will wind up the meeting now. Do your test seriously and it's very important.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. During the examination at home.
Okay.
Hello? Hello? What are these?
Send me the answer, fast.
It's 12 a.m. Haven't you slept yet?
I was making anxiety for the test tomorrow and I have more work to do.
Okay, come and see you soon.
Okay. Oh my god, what is this? It's already such a bad handwriting and the photo is so blurred. How am I going to mark this paper? God, please help me.
Today's breaking news. Ministry of Education announced that schools and colleges will be reopened on 1st September.
Happy morning, students. Students, am I audible? Happy morning, students. Please reply, students. Can you hear me?
Miss, sorry to say, but we can't hear you, miss. You are muted, miss.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, miss.
Happy morning.
Happy morning, miss.
So, before we go to the next topic, come on, anybody answer the question? Nobody is responding. So, Arish, answer the question. I think he had network problem. Then, Saidhanesh, answer the question.
Miss, what question, miss?
I have asked you what I took in the last class.
Miss, in last class, you thought about Ohm's law, miss.
Hey, it is biology class. What are you answering? Please, listen to the class properly. Then, you will answer the question. Yes, the meeting. Then, Induja, answer the question.
Yes, I was absent on the last class, yes, I don't know, miss.
Can't you ask your friends what I took in last class?
Miss, sorry, miss.
Okay, this time I'll excuse you. Now Vimal joined the meeting. Vimal, answer the question.
Miss, sorry, Miss. Network issue. That's not.
It's okay now. You answered the question.
What question, Miss?
What I took in last class.
Photosynthesis, Miss.
That I know. What is photosynthesis?
Yesterday's topic, Miss.
Always making fun in the class. You people are wasting the time of me. Okay, let me continue the class. There is a lot of struggle for the teachers by making notes for the children to understand the topics easier in the online classes. But even there is no reply for homeworks. On behalf of the students, I tell that it will not be repeated again, and the teachers' efforts are really appreciated. I'm wishing all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Thank you all. That was great. Let's give them all a great round of applause.
Teachers' Parade is the most awaited event which I was personally waiting for. Playing an other person's role is not at all easy. Here comes our peer groups to perform the Teachers' Parade. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause.
Students, on your video, my day, gods, on your video. I'll believe in you, but not a devil inside me.
Good morning, children. Tomorrow we have camp. Guys, let's be ready. You come here. Be ready with all your things.
Friends, take your drawing note.
Happy morning, children. All of you take your classwork and start writing.
Happy morning, Ma. Happy morning, my dear children. I love you all, Ma.
Have fun, but serious in studies.
Good morning. All of you take your homework. Let me check. What, Mom? Why are you laughing? Happy morning, children. How are you? Again, we have started talking now. Happy morning, children. How are you all? It's been a long time. I'm not seeing you.
Happy morning, children. Can we start?
Comes homework. Kirtan is running charity, no? Complete.
Children, take your seats quickly so that we can start our program.
Happy morning, students. Why you can't repeat it, huh? All Rajas and Ranis are sitting inside my classroom. Bye. Love you all.
I like to teach the subject colorfully. அதை விட முக்கியமான விஷயம் என் கிளாஸ்ல அட்டென்டிவா இருக்கணும். நான் கேக்குற क्वेश्चनக்கு ஆன்சர் பண்ணணும். இல்லனா செம்ம கோவம். டேய் பிரின்ஸ், உன்னை தவிர்த்து வேற யாராச்சும் ஆன்சர் பண்ண சொல்றா. பிரின்ஸ் மேதாவி, நீ மேதாவி தான் ஒத்துக்கிறேன். மத்தவங்க ஆன்சர் பண்ண முடியும்.
Next, we have video presentation. This COVID-19 has brought a vast distance between us, but this gap couldn't stop us from doing anything. Now, here are some of our friends to prove that and to thank our teachers for the phenomenal work they are doing for so long. Let's welcome them.
Dear teachers, you are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, and the candle to our life. Happy Teachers Day.
ஆசிரியர்கள் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய ஆசிரியர் தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
आपको हमसे यौम उस्ताद मुबारक.
उपाध्याय दिनोत्सव शुभकांक्षलु.
संतुष्टमाय अध्यापक दिनम.
Bonjour, bonne jour de professeurs.
Daragia учителя, спасибо за то, что седели нас такими, какие мы есть сегодня. С днем учителя.
Buona giornata, deadline inside.
Selamat Hari Guru kepada semua cikgu dan profesor.
మాకు ఇంత చక్కటి ఆదర్శవంతులైన ప్రతిభావంతులైన ఉపాధ్యాయులు ఇచ్చినందుకు మనస్ఫూర్తిగా దేవుడికి కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలుపుతూ మీ అందరికీ ఉపాధ్యాయుల దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుతున్నాము.
ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಯೌಮ್ ಅಲ್ ಮುಅಲ್ಲಮೀನ್ ಅಲ್ ಸಯೀದಿನ್ ಇಜ್ಮঈನ್ ಅಲ್ ಮುಅಲ್ಲಮೀನ್ ಅಲ್ ಆಯಿಜಾ.
Flu rich hen wealth ill yaar tag.
प्रिय शिक्षक, आज हम जो है उस सब का कारण आप है. शिक्षक दिवस शुभकामनाएं.
Teachers demand nothing from us, but teach us with the hope that one day we will be successful in our lives. Dear teachers of Sri Bala Vidyalaya, on this very special day, I would like to share one thing. Though we were naughty and disobedient, you always dealt us with love, care and affection in the hope that one day we will be responsible to do hard work in our studies and in our life to make you all proud. Dear teachers and students, studying hard is not the only duty for us, but also we need to carry on the moral values that have been taught by our teachers to the future generations. Dear students, also there is no supreme power in this cosmos that can underestimate the teaching skill of our teachers of Sri Bala Vidyalaya. So I request you all students to follow the advice of our teachers and be their ideal students so that you could bring a beautiful smile on their faces. Thank you.
Happy morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. The light of the world that began in the dark and the hope that gives us strength to serve is our teachers. Today we celebrate Teachers Day, a day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. In a digital learning environment, teachers who think outside of the box and prioritize their creative thinking are well suited to help the students succeed. In a virtual school, students can feel their teachers' enthusiasm for the subject matter through every live online classes, lessons, interactions. Thank you.
As we all know that we have gathered to celebrate Teachers Day online, let me take this opportunity to thank all our teachers who have been working very hard to teach us online. Taking education to the next level, this year may have given us tough times, but our teachers have surely been a great ray of hope. In this tough time, I would like to thank all the teachers of Sri Bala Vidyalaya School on behalf of each and every student for your unwavering support. Thank you for inspiring us, guiding us, and making us what we are today. Happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
The ability to express thoughts and feelings in an articulate manner is called as speech. Now Sanjeevan Hari is here to say a speech about role of teachers in students' life.
A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind and touches a heart.
a magical profession that requires magical skills. A teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. There are 2.7 million architects, 15 million engineers, 582 million entrepreneurs, 300 million doctors in the world, all because of teachers. Teaching is one profession that creates all other professions. Even during a global pandemic, teaching never stops. We never clapped for them from our balconies, nor lit candles for their work. Ever wonder why? Because we salute your efforts from our deepest hearts. Teachers are a guide to success, and it's important for one's life in this competitive world. Thank you, teachers, and happy Teachers' Day.
Next, we have the quiz. A quiz is defined as a game or the brain teaser to test the knowledge. Now I call upon all our teachers to join their respective teams to continue the quiz.
Okay. Now, this question goes for team champions. Team champions. Good point. Guess the name. Let's start the names. Team heroes, fast. Yes, it's right. Yes, section. Next question. The next question is for team legends. Please guess. Only one chance. Please do guess properly. You know. The next question goes to team heroes. Wait. Let's give them a chance. What? Good job. Last but not the good. The next name, guess this name. Hey! The next question is for Team Scholars. Hey! So these teachers are outside the team. I would like you to start with this. Now you can use your buzzers, teachers. Wait.
Okay, this question is me question.
Guess this name.
Lokesh. Correct.
So now let's move on to the buzzer round with the first question. Who was the first Indian woman in space?
Goes to Scholars.
Super. Who was the first Indian in space? I repeat, who was the first Indian in space? Congratulations. It's the correct answer. The answer is Krishna.
Thank you teachers for your easy and sportive participation.
Next, we have radio jockey. The person performing the radio jockey should have a better confidence level. Here are the confident ones for you.
Hello all, this is Hana Taslim reporting from SBV Radio. Here to present before you a beautiful RJ session hosted by our news reporters. We are here to give a review for a well-planned show done for the Teachers' Day. I am pleased to welcome our fellow RJs Rahesh and Prince.
Hello, namaste, welcome to all. This is RJ Prince reporting live from SBV Saint.
Hello, this is Grace, your fellow RJ, also reporting from SBV Saint Radio.
Tell me, Anna, why have you invited us here? Talk about something?
Yes, Anna, madam. Let us hear.
Mr. RJs, are you kidding? You don't know what is the day today?
It's a beautiful Saturday. Everybody knows that.
Yep, Rajesh has a point. It is a beautiful Saturday.
Today is Teachers' Day and you both are here to talk about the Teachers' Day program.
Oh, now I understand why Messiah used to call me Malakan.
Teachers' Day. Oh, now I got it.
Okay guys, what do you want to say about the Teachers' Day program?
It was a very spectacular event to be precise.
Hey, wait. Now only you said that you do not know what day it was.
The students coordinated really well. What do you say, Grace?
Mr. Genius, can we talk about the teachers now?
Oh, point. The teachers are the driving force here.
Of course, yes, I got to agree with you guys. But to point out, I happen to see many new faces participating in dance program.
Yes, I have noticed many new faces, like the introduction of new students in the event.
Yes, ma'am. The teachers here really want to help the students not only excel in academics, but also in extracurricular activities. That's really good. We need to appreciate that.
If teachers are added, any student life can change miraculously.
Yes, Nana, indeed. If you take me as an example, if I'm standing before you today and talking, it's because of my dear teachers. They helped me to become the man that I am now. Thank you, teachers, if you are listening to this.
Hey, what about the video presentation, guys?
Yeah. I have noticed that even the best yoga practitioners cannot balance themselves as much as these teachers balance their phones in the online classes. That's superb.
Jokes apart, finally the students will realize how difficult it is for the teachers to do a video presentation in online. Okay, what about poem recital, guys?
Yes, I have seen many real and fluid emotions coming from the students. It seems that the teachers and students really have a strong bond here.
Hey Anna, of all the programs, which one is your favorite?
I don't have a specific choice because I like all the programs, but poem recital was so touching that oh my god, I'll miss all my teachers.
Come on, Anna, don't get too emotional. Our teachers will always be with us, they will always be guiding us, and they will always be blessing us, and they will stay in our hearts and memories forever.
Yeah. Hey, this reminds me of a song that I recently heard in an album.
Wait a minute.
You also know my
Oh, that song you showed to me in the morning. Yeah, that was nice. That was nice. Hey, I think we should play that to honor the teachers of SPV, man.
அன்பை காட்டி அறிவை வளர்க்கும் ஆசானே, பாசம் காட்டி பாடம் புகட்டும் ஆசானே, மடமை நீக்கி மனதை தேற்றும் ஆசானே, கடமை தவறா கண்ணியமாறா ஆசானே. வணக்கம் வணக்கம் குருவே வணக்கம், வணக்கம் வணக்கம் எங்கள் குருவே வணக்கம். அன்பை காட்டி அறிவை வளர்க்கும் ஆசானே, பாசம் காட்டி பாடம் புகட்டும் ஆசானே.
It was really nice, wasn't it? With that Guru Vanakkam, wishes to all our Gurus.
VSBV Radio is signing off until we meet for the next grand show.
Goodbye.
Here we have our alumni to enlighten our day with their special view about teachers.
Thank you all for sharing your views about the teachers.
Hey everyone, I hope you all remember me. I'm Sneha. First, let me wish all my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. 12 years of schooling passed in our school. You all have seen me from a first standard student to a senior secondary student. I remember those days where I used to nag you with all my questions, but none of my teachers showed me an indifferent face. You all have explained all my doubts with utmost patience and made sure that I am clear with all my topics. You all stood with me at times when I felt low. You all believed in me at times when I didn't even believe in myself. You all encouraged, inspired, and paved me a way to prove myself. Taking education to the next level this year has given us tough times, but our teachers are surely a ray of hope. From guiding each one of us to inspiring us, it is only because of you all that we are standing here. Even today, when I win competitions at my college, the first question is, from which school you are? And I reply with pride that I am an SBVN. Thank you teachers, you are the light of our lives. I am forever grateful to you all. And once again, let me wish all my teachers a very happy Teachers' Day from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Happy morning to all. I am Logeshwar SP. I studied at Sri Bala Vidyalaya from my grade 3 to grade 12. I am grateful to all the teachers who supported me from the beginning to the very end of my schooling days. I am thankful to each and every teacher for sharing their knowledge and experience to us. Apart from academics, my dear teachers stood by me at every step to guide, motivate and inspire me to become a better version of myself. I'll always be grateful to my school and my dear teachers. It was my honor to talk about my dear teachers on this special occasion. I conclude my speech by thanking you all and wishing my dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Let's all sit back and enjoy the SBV tour. Thank you friends, it was really fantabulous.
Every program has a welcome and also a thankfulness. Now I call upon Tirthana to deliver the vote of thanks.
A warm and graceful morning to our Honorable Founder, Correspondent, Academic Advisor, Vice Principal, Headmistress, HODs, respectful teachers and my dear friends. It's my privilege to propose vote of thanks and acknowledge the contribution of those who work meticulously to make this celebration a successful one. I am extremely grateful to the Almighty for making today's event a resounding success. I profoundly extend my gratitude to our Honorable Founder, Dr. M. Balakrishnan, who spared his valuable time and knowledge to grace this occasion. All SBVN celebrations are complete only with our founder's address. I am immensely thankful to our correspondent, Srimati Santana Lakshmi, who is a pivot of success at all celebrations at SBV. She is a great source of inspiration and motivation. My heartfelt thanks to our academic advisor, Mrs. P.C. Selvarani, for her support. An event like this cannot be organized overnight. It requires planning and execution. I would like to conclude by expressing my heartfelt gratitude to our budding stars of SBV who made this celebration a joyful and a memorable one. Once again, I thank one and all and every teacher a happy Teachers' Day.